This is Face the Nation, broadcasting live from the CNN IBN headquarters in New Delhi with Sagarika Ghosh.
Hi there. Is justice being delayed or is justice being given a better chance? The Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court was to deliver a historic judgment on the Ayodhya title suit tomorrow, but in a surprise decision, the Supreme Court has stayed the impending Ayodhya verdict. One judge has called for another attempt to be made at an out-of-court settlement. The next hearing will be on the 28th of September.
It was meant to be a Friday verdict in a historic dispute that's shaken modern-day India. But now the Allahabad High Court will have to wait to deliver its order in the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid title dispute. The reason for the delay, an unprecedented move by the Supreme Court. After hearing a petition seeking postponement of the date, the apex court decided to give an out-of-court solution one last chance, especially amidst security concerns for the Commonwealth Games. The choice to delay the judgment was not easy. The two judges who heard the matter were divided on the issue, while Justice Gokhale was of the opinion that the consequences of the outcome of this case may not be just for you, but also for the ordinary people of the country. Even if there is 1% chance to solve the matter through reconciliation, we must give it a try. And before a decision comes, parties are in a position to give in. After a decision, chances of reconciliation are weak. But the other judge, Justice Ravindran, was in favor of dismissing the petition. He asked the petitioner's counsel, "Why do you think that the people of this country are so immature that they will not accept the judgment? Religious passions will rise only when there is an attempt to raise it. And in the last 50 years, you could not settle the issue. Hundreds of opportunities were given. Why do you think now this matter can be resolved through reconciliation?" While the Supreme Court has held out hope that the parties to the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri dispute should resolve their differences through reconciliation, but there are not many takers for it.
No hope of reconciliation.
Why you say that?
Because I know other party also is saying with whom we will reconcile.
मैं पर्सनली इस फैसले से बहुत आहत हूँ और पूरा जन संप्रदाय, पूरा जन समुदाय इससे बहुत निराश हुआ है.
Now, all eyes are fixed on September 28th, the next date of hearing in the matter. This because one of the High Court judges hearing the case in Lucknow retires then. If the verdict is not delivered before September 30th, the entire case may have to be heard again. In New Delhi, Ashok Bagria.
Political parties are equally surprised by the verdict. Some are saying that while reconciliation was welcome, others are saying that a delay could be counterproductive.
The party has always maintained that any problem, including this problem, should be solved through dialogue.
We'll wait for the verdict to come before we comment on the Ayodhya issue.
Point is, over all these years, what has not been achieved, to expect that to be achieved in a week now. I mean, however much we may wish that it happens, however much we may want that it happens, but to expect it may happen in the week, if it does happen, very good. But in that pretext, I don't think we can just go on postponing.
The whole country was expecting the judgment tomorrow, and in fact anxiously looking forward to the judgment. It is a bit surprising that the judgment now has been postponed by a few days.
जो आपसी बातचीत से 60 वर्षों में हल नहीं निकला, वो 60 दिनों में कैसे निकला हो जाएगा?
जितने इसके भीतर पार्टीज लगी हुई है, 9 पार्टीज खड़ी हुई है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, वो चाहती है कल मुकदमे का फैसला होना चाहिए, तो एक नाचीज वो इस मुकदमे को टलवा लेता है और 28 तारीख करवाता है, तो इसके मतलब ये है कोई ताकत उसके पीछे लगी है.
Joining us tonight, SQR Ilyas, spokesperson of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. We have Shapun Dasgupta, senior journalist, right here in our studio, V. Sanghvi, editorial director of the Hindustan Times, and Yogendra Yadav, political analyst. Gentlemen, thanks very much indeed. The initial results of our SMS poll, the Ayodhya verdict is deferred. Is an out-of-court settlement possible? Remember, it's been tried for 19 years. Will it be possible in 5 days? What are you telling us there? It's a hopeful verdict. 64% are actually saying yes.